This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, January 8th, 2015. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run at noon today. You can see the flow is coming out of the North Pole, straight across Canada, into the plains and upper Midwest and the Great Lakes, and then sweeps across the country. That means it's still going to be cold across the state for a couple of more days. It will be a bit warmer today because we'll be ahead of a clipper system that's going to bring us a bit of snow, and trace to about an inch. It's also going to bring some strong winds that could lead to near whiteout conditions across our northern counties. Highs today in the teens and 20s. You won't be seeing those for a couple of days because by Friday, highs will be in the single digits. Some places in the far northern counties may not even crack zero. Lows Friday night could drop well into the single digits and teens below zero. Then we'll slowly start to see the temperatures rise back a little bit each day. Saturday, highs will be in the single digits north, teens south, maybe approaching 20 in our far southwestern counties. Sunday, teens will be likely with a few 20s around. Still fairly cool, sunny for the entire weekend, no real systems around. But late Sunday into the very early part of Monday, you can see a system will be scraping the state to the south and east. Could bring a little bit of flurry or light snow shower activity in those areas. Better chances of seeing any accumulation or precipitation will be to our south and east. And then that system moves away. Temperatures still remain mainly in the upper teens to the middle 20s across the state with sunshine around at this point. Any precipitation to our south off the east coast and way out into the Pacific. We go into Wednesday, not much change. Maybe a cloud or two more than on Tuesday. Highs still remaining mainly in the upper teens to middle 20s. No real cold Arctic air around at this point. Some precipitation to our south with a system that will be moving through the southern jet stream. But if you notice, another clipper system is going to be moving through, mainly across Ontario and into the Great Lakes. And the GFS has been hinting at this, that the next polar outbreak would be aimed more toward the eastern Great Lakes and New England. That means a ridge would start to develop, and that would start to develop toward the end of next week and into the following week, but some models have indicated different. Going into the extended period on the 19th, we have pretty much a west-east flow. You don't see this big plunge of cold air coming from the North Pole straight south. You see it mainly coming from the west, and that means temperatures would be near seasonal levels, likely in the 20s to lower 30s. Some precipitation around, but no real significant system, at least at this point. We'll have to see about that. We have a system coming in to the northwest as well. And then as we go to the end of the period, the 23rd, somewhat vigorous system moving across the south and the lower Mississippi River Valley. That might be a system that they will have to watch. But around here, still mainly a west-to-east flow, and a fairly quick flow at that. You see the storm over the south and east bringing maybe some showers and thunderstorms there, but all we might see is a few clouds around from that and readings near seasonal levels, but some models indicate the cold air could continue. We'll have to wait and see. Satellite image from last evening, well, we see what's coming. The next clipper system's coming with those high and mid-level clouds to our north and west. Those will be sweeping in later today and into tonight with another batch of cold air following in its wake. Fairly quiet elsewhere across the country. Watch warning map doesn't look very quiet. Lots of wind chill advisories and warnings across the eastern half of the country. Hard freeze warnings in the south. Winter weather issues in the Great Lakes. And some winter weather advisories from here to our northwest, along with some blizzard watches and warnings. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days. This goes through, let's see, Monday evening at 6 o'clock, showing a little bit of precipitation around here, mainly the little bit of snow we might get later on today.